morning, this is Morgan. Today I'm about to fix a simple meatloaf. This is my ground beef. Added some onions, a egg, some tomato sauce, barbecue sauce, some pimento seeds, black pepper, jojoba, breadcrumbs, of course. So now, as I said, it's a meatloaf. A little salt, not much. Stuff you like. So I'm going to improvise the loaf chop. Using the fire. Loaf is a loaf. A loaf I want, a loaf I'm going to get. You know, we do around the kitchen, but just have the right way. So I started the meatloaf. I have a head. Breadcrumbs, season to your taste, season the way you like it. And make it a loaf. I said loaf and bread. Now with the top, put together whatever you want. After about loaf thing, you're going to preheat the oven, 350. I'm going to into a loaf. See? Just form it into a loaf. You make it, you form it into a loaf. Simple one too. The ground beef, sometimes I mix the sausage or the pork into the beef. Today it's just beef. And see? Bam, I got a loaf. Loaf is it. A nice little loaf. I don't want it too fat. It is a nice little loaf. I'm going to put it in the oven for half an hour. When it's out, I'm going to baste it with some coconut oil mixed with some barbecue sauce. Something to make it nice. You'll see, okay? Put it in the microwave oven 350 for half an hour. I'm going to serve with the sweet potato, the yam. I also have some plantain here. Maybe just double up one day doing the green plant, squeeze them and fry them in different ways. Make a cup, something, and do it one day. Today, meatloaf it is, okay? Catch you later.